Hello, today I'm going to explain you how to change the settings for your Microsoft Store. So for example, right now I'm having a problem with my Microsoft Store. I used to live in the UK and I had a bank account from the UK, but now I am in the United States, so I need to purchase, for example, I want to purchase this game. So as you can see, my values are showing in pounds. So when I click here, I'm trying to pay with my PayPal account, but my PayPal account is in US dollars. So when I click buy, it's gonna give me an error because basically the region settings is not matching with my payment method. So what I need to do is change the Microsoft Store in US dollars so it's matching with my payment method. So what I need to do is I need to click here in my window search box. I'm gonna tap region settings, and then here in the region section, I'm gonna look for this option that say country or region. Windows and apps might use your country or region to give you local content. So I'm gonna change from the United Kingdom to United States. I'm gonna close here, and now the Microsoft Store needs to be restarted. So when I click restart, now I can see my price in US dollars. This is the same solution for different apps. Also apply for the Xbox app. If you're having problems to purchase some games or something like that, so you need to change the region settings in your Windows. So thank you for watching and see you next time.